Hey, I see you sort of. Why are you barking so much? Hey, Demanda. What? 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 You already had a walk. You already had snacks. Come on out. Come on outside. Where are you? I hear you. I see your tail wagging. What are you doing? I see you under the chair. Cookie. Why are you demanding? What are you doing, monkey? Look at you. Look at you. Hi, baby. Why are you demanding? Cookie. Come here, doggy. What you doing? Why are you demanding? You've had all this. You've had all the snacks. You've had a walk. You have water. What is it, monkey? You are being such a brat. Why are you being a brat? She just wants certain snacks, and she's had snacks today. Goodness. Almost 13 years old, acting like a 2-year-old. What is it, Demanda? What is it, Lassie? What is it, girl? Did Jimmy fall in the well? Did Jimmy fall in the well? Oh, gosh. I see you. Right there. I see you. Oh, you little monkey. Oh, you're such a little brat. Oh, there she goes. Hey, monkey. You're wagging your tail, so you know you're being a brat. Here's a dog that finally ate her dinner before 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Look at that mad look. Oh, she's looking away. Are you happy now? Are you happy? Are you happy now, Missy? Thank you, Cookie. Cook, I thought you were going to lie down. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. You looking away? Are you content now? You're not going to bark anymore? Demanda?